in ARM who do not have electricity as of today.
Yes.
We've been suffering for like 2 years already. Now, and I do not see any solution in the near future now. Kasi I'm from ARM, so I know the problem there. If we push through with online publishing, of course we need electricity. That will be one of the biggest challenges that we have in ARM. Internet connection, you need electricity, computer and everything. So that is why it is very important that we still have the printed material. Because we can, like the kids can work on the printed material and have it printed somewhere else.
Okay, so yung dyan, di ba, when it comes to electricity and connectivity, di ba, minsan that's a problem that is beyond the control of the Department of Education.
Precisely.
That is something that sometimes we need to, people keep asking, DepEd. Pero we keep telling them that that is not, diba, hindi na siya trabaho ng DepEd. Our job is to run the schools and teach the students. Diba? Pero yung tubig, diba, nireklamo sa DepEd, bakit walang tubig? Hindi naman po kami yung water.
But sir, you have to consider that before coming up with a program that requires things like that.
Yes. We're not going to, syempre meron tayong special, meron tayong special consideration for certain areas. Diba? Yung nga natin, diba, yung computerization program ng DepEd, meron siyang in the budget, ang nakalagay dun sa budget natin for all electrified schools. Diba? So yung binibili natin ng computer lab, yung pinalagyan natin ng mga computers at internet connectivity, ay yung mga schools in energized areas. Ngayon, there are other alternative solutions that DepEd and the private sector are trying to come up with. In Region 1 and Region 2, nagsisimula na din yung mga solar panels in some schools na walang yung malayo sa grid. So ginagawa na natin ngayon ang buwan, ginagawa na natin ngayon ang pamaan when it comes to that. Maybe we can do that in ARM also. But yun, that's something that is not, that I cannot answer, diba, right now. Pero yun nga, in the interest of fairness, pag nakita naman natin kasi yung mga contest natin sa NSPC, it basically focuses on yung basic skills of writing, information gathering. Diba, if we boil it down to the basics, to the core principles, ganun pa rin siya. Diba, pagkahanap siya ng informasyon, pagda-digest ng information, and then coming out with something that people will readily understand. So I think we're not going to use that. Tapos yun nga, meron naman tayo, kaya nga ngayon, itong online itong online category natin sa NSPC, it's still parang exhibition sport pa rin siya, it's still a special category. Dahil nga, precisely because some schools have no connectivity, some schools are not electrified, and even yung pinaka-basic na not everyone has been trained. Diba, regarding yun nga. Parang ito yung una natin ginawa. Yung nag-consultative meeting tayo last year, August last year, diba? Yun yung nag-come up yung mga tumatend ng consultative meetings. Na siya, na mini-training for this. Diba? Kasi what will happen is, ang lamang lang yung may alam. Yung may alam na hindi officially, diba?
Napag-iiwanan pa.
Napag-iiwanan. So kailangan tayo, diba? Pantay-pantay yung opportunity. So yun, to answer your question, I don't think mawawala totally naman yung mawawala naman totally yung print element, diba?